Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change themes in TickTick. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your TickTick app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize various aspects of your TickTick experience. Now, once you're in the settings menu, look at the left sidebar. You'll see several options listed there for different configuration categories. Click on Appearance. This section is specifically designed to help you personalize the visual look of your TickTick interface, including themes and color schemes that match your personal style or workspace preferences. After clicking on Appearance, you'll see a variety of theme options become available to you. TickTick offers an impressive selection of themes to choose from, each with its own unique color palette and visual feel. You can select from themes like sky, turquoise, teal, matcha, sunshine, peach, lilac, ebony, navy, gray, and dark. Each of these themes brings a different atmosphere to your productivity space, so take a moment to consider which one resonates with you or fits your current mood and work environment. Go ahead and click on your preferred theme color from the list. The moment you select a theme, TickTick will apply it immediately, allowing you to see the changes in real time. This instant preview makes it easy to experiment with different options until you find the perfect look. Whether you prefer bright and energetic colors like sunshine and peach, calming tones like sky and teal, or darker, more focused options like ebony and navy, there's something for everyone. And that's it. You've successfully customized your TickTick theme to match your personal preferences, making your task management experience more visually appealing and enjoyable. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.